Hello everyone, I'm Advocate Karanveer Singh Kamra. Welcome to Kamra Co. Today we will discuss about the registration of property in India. So let us start with a video. So what do you understand by this registration of property? So see, the registration of property simply means transfer of the property from one owner to another owner, right? So transfer of property can be done in multiple ways and those can be through a sale deed, through a gift deed, or through a relinquishment deed, which is an RD. So sale deed is the owner is transferring his property, his rights to another person for some amount. Like एक बंदा सामने वाले बंदे को अपनी प्रॉपर्टी बेच रहा है. So that is the sale deed. Now what is a gift deed? So what happens in families? A person is transferring his property to his family relation out of love and affection without any money. So that is a gift deed. Now, what is an RD? So what happens in RD? So let us suppose there are two owners in one property, right? So one of the owner relinquishes his right in favor of the other owner. So he gives up his right in favor of the other owner. And that transfer of property is done by the relinquishment deed, which is the RD. So now let us discuss about the topic of a video, which is registration of property. So always remember that registration of property is mandatory in India. You cannot sell, transfer, purchase a property without the registration of the property. And registration of property is done in new owner's name only, only after paying the stamp duty and the relevant registration fees for the transfer of that property. अब हम लोग डिस्कस करते हैं व्हाट इज द प्रोसीजर ऑफ दिस दैट हाउ एक्चुअली द रजिस्ट्रेशन टेक्स प्लेस सो रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टी टेक्स प्लेस इन दी सब रजिस्ट्रार्स ऑफिस आप जिस भी एरिया में रह रहे हैं इन द पार्ट ऑफ दिल्ली और इन एनी पार्ट ऑफ द इंडिया जो भी आपकी लोकेलिटी के सब रजिस्ट्रार ऑफिस होंगे जिनकी भी ज्यूरिसडिक्शन होगी उस एरिया के ऊपर यू हैव टू गो टू दैट ऑफिस एंड यू हैव टू कैरी सर्टेन डॉक्यूमेंट्स विद यू फॉर द रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टी. So remember, registration can be done through a sale deed, through a gift, or through an RD also. Registration can also be done through will, but that is a different case which we will discuss in our other videos. So let us understand the procedure of this registration of the property at the sub-registrar office. So first thing you have to carry the chain of the property. The chain of the property includes the conveyance deed, the title documents, the sale agreement, the GPA, that is the general power of attorney. It could also be SPA, special power of attorney. There can also be a will, right? So all the papers of the property, starting from the beginning, starting from the first owner of that property, you have to carry all those papers. You need to have all those papers with you. So also after the chain of documents, when you have the chain of documents, you should always have the stamp duty, which you have paid in favor of the property, right? And also you need to carry witnesses. It can be one witness also, two witness also, because the witness will testify before the sub registrar that yes, this person is transferring his property, right? So I hope you are clear about the procedure of the transfer of property in India. So, if you have any doubts, you can always let me know. And thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you.